Hi, everybody in Marketing 250. This is Becky Martinez, and the business that I chose for this semester is called SOS Notary because I decided after being a notary for 30 plus years that I would utilize that skill set to start a business. And so I am a Phoenix, Arizona based 24-hour emergency mobile notary service. So as you can see on my homepage, I have my name of my company, and my website is thesosnotary.com. And below that, I have information regarding being bonded and licensed to work in Arizona, and some other information that most people don't look at. It's just kind of a little spiel. The most important page is my landing page from my Google Ads, which takes us to the services page. So I just want to go over real quick the products and services, actually just the services that I offer. So the primary service that I offer is notary services, and so that would be my base price for notary services, which is $50 for up to 3 signatures. And that price is based on comparative analysis on other businesses in the Valley. However, because I'm not getting a whole lot of business, I'm thinking I probably need to take that down a bit. And then for add-on services, I have a mobile service. So I will I will go to any customer, depending on where they're located, and do notary services if they're homebound or they're in a unique situation where they're stuck at the airport, they need to have something notarized that will get them on a plane or whatever. Then I can run down and help them out for a fee, of course. And then I also have 24-hour service that I offer for people who are in a bind or who work during the day and aren't able to get to the bank. So those are the services that I offer. And because I've said I'm 24 hours, 7 days a week, I put Sunday in there for $5,000 anytime, anywhere. So most likely nobody will ever use that. But it does mean that I can state that I'm 24/7. If a customer comes here, they want to look at these services, but Scott encouraged me to go ahead and add this so that they could see the breakdown, that the notary service is the base charge, and then there are add-ons. So if you had called me and said, hey, I need to get this scheduled, I would have you go online, add that service and whatever other ones you needed to the cart that would take you to the PayPal page, which would, so we've got a couple on there, add notary services and taxes as well, since I have to do that being a company, and they would go to PayPal or checkout. So I don't need to add that anymore. Other things I have on my page are my About page, which just talks about how I've been a notary for about 30 plus years, where I live, and also my email address if they wanted to contact me directly. And as you can tell, I don't look like that anymore. Those are my professional pictures that I took a couple years ago, and this semester I let my hair go gray. So it doesn't look the same. I have my contact information, and also if I had companies that wanted to create an account with me and have a monthly billing service, that was created as well. So as far as things that I did to help my business prosper, which hasn't really happened yet, but I'm still hopeful, is I utilized Google Ads and their recommendations on AdWords, did Google Analytics to find out things that were working and weren't, and then paused or got rid of the things that weren't working. I changed my demographics. My very first phone call that I got on my business was from New York, and since I live in Arizona, and when she asked me, how soon can you be here, I said, where do you live? And she said, in Manhattan. I said, well, it's going to take a while. Anyway, we had a good laugh, but it taught me that I needed to go in and make some changes to my Google Ads, so that when it popped up on somebody's phone, it would say 24 service, 20-hour service, but it would also say Phoenix, Arizona, and people from out of state wouldn't call me. So those are the couple of things that I did to help my business. And it hasn't worked yet, but I'm hopeful that it will soon. So thank you, everybody, and have a great day.